This lesson will cover charts and how they're used in QRadar to track both short and long-term data trends. When reviewing log or network activity data and you select a grouping by, a pie and a bar chart will appear. This is the default behavior of QRadar. When you're in the log and network activity tabs and you select a time range other than the real-time streaming view, a time series chart will be generated. Time series charts generation can be intensive, since it requires querying the various processors for their information. If you are going to be building searches that are going to require large time periods and you may reuse them, you may want to capture time series data. This will involve a process called the accumulator, and then what you'll be shown in the time series data will be the accumulated metadata rather than the aggregation of the actual data. Within a QRadar environment, each event processor has a process called the accumulator. This aggregates metadata about the data that's currently being stored and processed by the event processor appliance. This metadata can be used to generate time series data as well as help with report generation. One feature of time series charts is the ability to zoom to focus. This can be accomplished in two ways, either by taking the mouse pointer and then holding down the Shift key and dragging across to the time series data that you would wish to zoom into, or using the scroll wheel. Once you've gotten down to the window you wish to drill into, you can simply click the Update Details button. Then the detailed data underneath the chart will be updated based on the time window you've selected. If you wish to go back to the original view in the time series chart, you can simply click the Reset Zoom link in the upper left-hand corner of the chart. Note, when you're creating a search that you wish to save and reuse, you may think about which columns you want to display within that search. Also, you have the option, based on the type of search you're saving, to capture the time series data over time. This will aid in returning results faster when you execute the search. In this unit, we discuss various advanced filter techniques where you can use QRadar as a forensics platform rather than just investigating offenses as they occur. You also got some insight into some of the charting capabilities of QRadar, especially around the concept of time series data and the accumulated metadata that it draws upon.